Hi everybody, Blue Octopede here, and welcome to week 12 of 2XL Tuesday. Today we have Talking Calculator and Number Game. Oh boy. I am terrible at math, so this is probably not going to go very well at all. This is from 1979, so one of the later tapes. A program to teach, test, and review the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of numbers. So long as you can add 2 plus 2, 2XL will come up with numbers and also calculate the answers. By the press of a button, you decide how difficult this program should be. Math skills have never been so much fun. I doubt that. For children 4 to 9 years old. So, okay, 4 to 9 years old. I am definitely out of that age bracket, but I am probably still going to do quite poorly. So, we will see what happens. Oh, before I forget, this does come with the little card to go over the buttons. Go ahead and do that before I forget about it. And here we go.
Around the world, we use numbers to be wise. Okay, now, one more time, Maestro. It's number time around the world. We add, subtract, and multiply. It is number time around the world. We use numbers to count. It is number time around the world. We add, divide, and subtract. It is number time around the world. We use numbers to live. And one more time. It's number time around the world. We add, subtract, and take square roots. It is number time around the world. We use numbers to be smart. It is number time around the world. We divide life and make mistakes. It is number time around the world. We use numbers to be wise. Oh boy, I enjoyed that.
Beautiful.
I am sorry, but I am tired now. You have only completed, though, the first program in my belly.
That was the ending.
If you'd like to hear the second program, I will wake up and give it to you. Just follow instructions.
I thought it was at the beginning. It was at the ending of the tape. Well,
you may turn me off now.
Well, hey, that means we get to hear the song twice, so yay for us. That always scares me every time.
Well, hello!
Hello.
I, as you know, am 2XL, and I am glad to speak to you again. This program is called Talking Calculator, and it comes with a green booklet and a card to
there's a
my
booklet.
buttons. Do not...
There's a booklet. Hang on, let me see if I've got the booklet. I do have the booklet. I didn't realize there was a booklet too, but I actually do have it. So, this is it. And, oh, haha, someone's done some math on the back for us. 13 times 2 is 25. That is not accurate. They're very close. That much I know for sure. Let me just make sure that this has not been... Oh, it has... Oh, yep, it's been heavily written in. Okay, I'm not going to cheat and look ahead of time, but...
Yet. You will be happy to learn that there are 2 programs on the tape in my belly. The first program is a program on games, puzzles, and problems. And you can hear this program by pushing button A. The second program is my Talking Calculator program, and you can hear this program by pushing button B. So if you don't mind, please make a choice. Push A or B now.
Oh, let's do Talking Calculator.
Thank you very much. I now know you want to hear the program on games, puzzles, and problems. But first, I, 2XL, need a favor. Please, if you don't mind, push the question button now.
I forgot that was Q and A being so... Whoops. That's what... Ah! Oh, hi, Jill. Sorry about
Thank you
that.
for pushing
Smack
the
the
question
camera.
button. I now know you want to hear my talking calculator program. But first, sit tight for a moment. Do nothing. I must compute for about 7 seconds. Do nothing.
Oh, jeez, now the camera's all out of whack. Well, at least I can fix this while he's doing
Thank
his
you.
thing.
I now know you want to hear, of course,
There we go.
the talking calculator program, as you indicated before.
Okay, there
Here's
we go.
what we must do. First, you must relabel my buttons with the card enclosed. My buttons are therefore relabeled plus, minus, times, and divide. So
All
please
right.
take the card and relabel my buttons. I will play for you some relabeling my buttons music.
Oh boy.
Okay, we are now ready to go with the talking calculator program of 2XL. Are you ready? Get on your mark, get set, and let us proceed. For this program, you must understand a few things. 1. Keep my buttons relabeled for the entire talking calculator part of this program.
Okay.
And 2. If you'd like, you may turn me off just after you choose one of the buttons in order to think and try to figure out the answer
Okay.
by yourself.
Cool.
Okay, also here is another instruction. For this particular part of the program, only push my buttons that say plus, minus, or times. Do not push the button that says divide. The only thing you can do with these numbers is add, subtract, or multiply.
Interesting.
Okay, let's try
Okay.
it, but we will go slowly at first so we can learn to work together. Here are the numbers 10 and 5. Okay. Now, if you'd like me to add them, you push the plus. If you'd like me to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, you push minus. And if you would like me to times these numbers together, you push times. Okay, choose plus, minus, or times now.
Okay. Multiply those for me. So 10 times 5 is 50.
You have chosen times, and 10 times 5 equals 50. This
Correct.
was the most difficult here because times is more difficult than adding or subtracting. Of course, if you need more time than I give you, you may turn me off just at the beginning of the computer sounds. Or if you are quick, you can race me to see who can come up with the answer first.
Ooh,
you
okay.
or I. From now on, my buttons will be called functions. Okay, here are your next two numbers, 7 and 5. Choose a function now.
7 minus 5. 2.
Answer is 2. Here are your next two numbers, 11 and 3. Choose your function now.
13.
Answer is 14. Here are your next two
Wait,
numbers.
what did I say? Did I say
21
13?
and
I meant
11.
14.
Choose your function
Got it
now.
wrong. Oh, shoot. I wasn't listening. Subtract those, please. Whatever those numbers were that I was talking over you so rudely. Sorry, 2XL.
Answer is 10. 21 minus 11 equals 10.
That is correct.
Notice how you can make this harder or easier by choosing harder or easier functions. And I can make the problems harder or easier by making small numbers or large numbers. I now need a favor. Notice my plus button. Please push my plus button now. Thank you for pushing the plus button. I now have a little question for you. You could call it
Okay.
a joke. Why is the figure 9? Why is the number 9 like a peacock? Because without a tail, it's nothing.
Oh, I get it.
Here is a little riddle for you. 7 is an odd number.
Yes.
How can it be made even? You can make 7 even by taking away the first S.
Oh, gosh.
Here's another riddle for you.
Oh, please
How many
stop.
2-cent stamps are there in a dozen?
What?
The answer is 12.
Percent stamps in a dozen?
Okay, let's get back to business.
That one
From
went
now
right
on,
over my
you
head.
will only use plus, minus, or divide. Do not push the times button. I repeat, do not push the times button. Only push plus, minus, or divide. Okay, let's start you out with the numbers 15 and 5. 15 and 5. Choose your function now.
15 divided by 5 is 3.
Answer is 3. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Here's one a little more difficult. 45 and 9. Choose your function now.
45 and 9. 36?
Answer is 36.
Yes.
45 minus 9 equals 36. Here are your next two numbers, 21 and 7. Choose your function now.
21 and 7. Let's add those. 21 plus 7 is 28. This is not what I thought it would be.
Answer is 28. 21 plus 7 equals 28.
This is not what I
Okay,
thought
your
it would
next
be at
numbers
all.
are 84 and 21. These are hard, so I will give you a full 15 seconds to work these out. 84 and 21. Choose your function now.
Let's go for a hard one. 84 divided by 21. Not a clue on this one. I'd have to get a piece of paper and a pencil and actually work it out, and that would be very boring to watch.
4. 84
4.
divided by 21 equals 4.
Oh,
Your
yes.
next numbers are 20 and 10. Choose your function now.
Minus. So the answer would be 10.
Answer is 10. 20 minus 10 equals 10. Here are your next numbers, 36 and 18. 36 and 18. Choose your function now.
36 and 18. There's a 4 and then carry the 1.
You have
54?
pushed the plus button, so the answer is 36 plus 18 equals 54.
Oh, I got it right. 54.
Okay, here are your next... Ooh, excuse me! Here are your next two numbers.
What was
9
that?
and 1. Choose your function now.
8. This is easy. This is way too easy.
Your biological brain has pushed my minus button, so therefore 9 minus 1 equals 8. Here are your next two numbers, 12 and 12. Choose your function now.
12 divided by 12 is 1. 12 goes into 12 one time. That's how that
The
works,
answer
right?
is... Sorry, I got stuck. The answer is 1. I hope you don't mind, but I would like to have a little personal talk with you.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes little robots, like 2XL, that's me, ask favors of human people, that's you. I now have such a favor to ask.
Okay.
Notice my plus button. Please, if you don't mind, push my plus button now.
All right.
Thank you. I now have a question for you. What do you think the world's record for counting the highest number in 1 minute is? In other words, starting at 1 and counting as quickly as possible. How high do you think the world's record is in 1 minute? Well, I'll give you exactly 1 minute of music so you can try to count from 1 as quickly as you can and see how high you can get.
Oh, okay.
And then I'll give you the answer. Begin counting from 1 as quickly as you can.
Okay,
for
okay,
1
okay.
minute.
Here we go.
Now.
Count with me, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Is he snoring? He's snoring. We've counted him to sleep. What was that? 122, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 49, 80, wait, 50.
Stop. Time is
Oh,
As you can
150.
see, this is very, very difficult. However, if you are interested, the answer is a grand total of 312.
Wow.
This is not easy. Good try on your part. I hope you tried
Impressive.
anyway. Let's get back to business here. For these next group of talking calculator questions, you will only push the buttons plus, times, and divide. Do not push the minus button. I will repeat. Do not push my minus button. By the way, why is the calendar so tired on April 1st? Because it just had a 31-day March.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, let's get back to business. Remember, only push plus, times, or divide. Here are your numbers. 48 and 12. 48 and 12. Choose your function now.
48 times 12. 16. Carry the 1. Why is this music so loud? 14
is
to
576. 48 times 12 equals 576.
I didn't have
Here
enough
are your
time.
next two numbers. 55 and 11. Choose your function now.
55 divided by 11 is 5. Yeah, so talking calculator is not what I thought it would be. I was thinking we would
Your
use the
answer
booklet.
is 5.
But I wonder if the
55
booklet goes along with the
divided by
number
11
game.
equals 5. Your next two numbers are 9
Yeah, I
and
think they meant to
3.
put booklet to
Choose
accompany
your function now.
number game, or talking calculator and number game. So, I don't know. This is very, very strange.
Answer is 3.
I was not paying attention to the question.
9 divided by 3 equals 3.
He is correct.
In either case, your next two numbers are 42 and 21. These are difficult, and you may even want to turn me off. 42 and 21. Choose your function now.
42 plus 21 is 63. We'll go with an easy one.
The answer is 63. 42
Yay.
plus 21 equals 63. I now have a different type of question for you. I want you to add up the numbers 1 through 10. Add up 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 9, 10. Add up all of those numbers. I will give you 1 minute to do so. Begin adding 1 through 10 now.
1 through 10. Okay. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, 45, 55? Is it? I think I did that right. I had to do it on my fingers, but I think it's 55. This music is cute. XL is always getting me demonetized though with this music, but it's cute, so I can't really complain.
your time is up. The answer is 55.
Yay,
I have decided
got it right.
not to check your work. The answer is 55, and I hope you got 55. Let's get back to talking calculator here. Here are your next two numbers, but remember, only use plus, times, or divide. Your two numbers are 20 and 1. Choose your function now.
20 times 1 is 20. Easy.
The answer is 20. 20
Yay.
times 1 will equal 20. I now have a little riddle for you.
Okay.
What 7 letters are in an empty bottle? O-I-C-U-R-M-T.
Oh my gosh.
I now need a favor. Notice the plus button.
Yes.
I need you to push it. Push the plus button now. Thank you for pushing the plus button. I now have a special treat for you. Here is my favorite joke on this entire program.
Oh, no.
I, to excel, like this joke more than any other. Why is a baby the least important member of a family?
Why?
Because it doesn't count.
What? Good grief.
Come on, you must admit, for a tape on numbers and talking calculators, that's a pretty good joke, if I do say so myself.
Sure.
Excuse me a moment. I believe I have a message coming in. This message is a fact that I would like to transfer from my memory banks to yours. The centillion, yes, centillion, is the largest number in the world. A centillion is a 1 with 600 zeros after it.
That's a lot of zeros.
There is no single number larger than a centillion.
Centillion and 1
Now I have
is
a
larger
favor
than
to
a
ask
centillion.
of you.
Duh,
Notice
2XL.
on my chest the minus button. Yes, the minus button.
Oh.
Please push the minus button for me now. Now.
Oh, I pushed it too early.
Thank you for pushing the minus button.
You're welcome.
For this next group of talking calculator problems, I would like you not to push the plus button.
Oh,
Only
okay.
use my buttons labeled minus, times, and divide. Okay, let's begin. Here are your two numbers, 40 and 4. Choose your function now.
Let's just stick with minus. 40 minus 4. Wait, he did say 40 minus 4, right? 36 then.
Your answer is 36.
Okay,
40
just
minus
making sure I
4
remembered
equals
that right.
36. Here are your next two numbers, and they are difficult, believe me. 272
Oh,
and 17. Choose your function now.
272. Let's have him multiply that, and I'm not even going to try and work that out on my own.
The answer is 4,624.
He's a smart little
272
robot.
times 17.
You're very smart.
Here are your next
Good
two
job.
numbers, 90 and 15. Remember, only choose functions of minus, times, and divide. 90 and 15. Choose your function now.
90, 90, and 15. That's, I know it's divisible by 3.
Answer is...
Oh.
I must be getting tired. Answer is 6. 90 divided
6,
by 15 equals
Yeah.
6. Equals 6. I am getting tired now, and I would like to end this program. You have now completed the second program in my belly. If you'd like to try the first again, remove my label and follow instructions, or turn me off now.
Whoa, okay. Well, that was Talking Calculator. Okay, that's not at all what I expected it was going to be. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do things a little bit differently. I am actually going to make this a separate video, and I'm going to go now and do the first one, which I assume is the number game. Because this, while interesting, was actually kind of boring. I was expecting to, be using the booklet and stuff. I didn't realize he was just going to ask us, like, numbers to do math with. So, that's quite odd. Yeah, I'm going to stop this recording, actually, and go ahead and upload this video. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put both videos up at the same time, so might take a little bit longer. Hopefully these will both be up on Tuesday. This is, what day is it? December the 8th. So hopefully they'll both be up on December 8th. The second one might come out tomorrow morning, so sorry about that. But yeah, I'm going to leave this tape in. Go ahead and pause this and start the next video. So I will see you guys in just a moment. Bye-bye.